Here's how to turn off read receipts for your Instagram messages on both iPhone and Android. If you want to read a message without letting the other person know, here is exactly what you need to do. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open your settings. From there, scroll down until you see the section called How Others Can Interact with You, and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Next, tap on Show Read Receipts. All you have to do now is switch this toggle off. Once it's turned off, people won't be able to see when you've read their messages. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, check out the next video on your screen for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.